Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I have an unboxing to show you guys. This company by the name of Louily reached out to me to do a review on their product. So stay tuned. And this is how it came packaged. Okay. So inside the box is this little plastic airtight bag, silver sealed bag. This is the bag that you place your ring in after being worn. When you take it off, you're going to place it in this bag. It's to protect it. And this is a jewelry polishing cloth, better clean, made your jewelry more shine. That's what it says, made your jewelry more shine. And an anti-tarnish agent. This is what it looks like in the front, and in the back it reads, better clean. This polishing cloth is made of high quality cotton impregnated with a silver cleaner and anti-tarnish agent. And it says at the bottom here, it says, caution, the polishing cloth remains effective as long as it is not washed. And this is what the cloth looks like. I'm gonna open it up for y'all. So it is pink. A pink cloth. It remains effective, y'all. Just make sure you don't wash it. This is a Louily booklet. Inside this booklet, it has self-serve return and exchange instructions. And then it has like a return form here in case you want to return your item. It also tells you how to care for your jewelry. So this is a care guide. Then also it tells you the jewelry making process, latest trend on their jewelry, exquisite designs that mesmerize here, bestseller. It just shows you the best-selling jewelry. And it also comes in jewelry sets. You can pick a pair of items. You can pick one item, but you can get it in a set. So this booklet pretty much tells you, about what they do. So this is the little booklet here. Then you have a gift bag. You have a gift bag just in case you want to give the item to someone. Let's see, let me get it straightened, y'all. This is a cute little gift bag. Okay. And then here is the item that I'm going to show y'all first before I put it on my finger or what have you. This is the ring that I picked out myself. They gave me 3 choices of rings, but I picked one out that I really liked. Look at that, y'all. Look how beautiful this ring is. The camera doesn't do any justice. And the ring does come with a tag. This ring here is a size 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off. And place it on my finger. Y'all, look how beautiful this ring is. This ring can be an engagement ring. Their jewelry are very affordable. Look how beautiful, y'all. It has like diamonds around the band of the ring, but right here is, is clear. So I'm going to read and give you the details of this ring. This ring is by Louily Jewelry. Louily gorgeous split shank cushion cut engagement ring in sterling silver. Now this ring is a size 7. This ring is $119. The metal is 925 sterling silver. Plated color is 18K white gold. Rhodium, yes. Nickel free, yes. Now the gem information. The gem type is stimulated diamond. Center stone shape, it is cushion cut. Center stone size, 913 mm. Silver stone color is G white. Center stone weight, 7.5 carat. Side stone color is white stone. Side stone shape, round cut. Side stone total weight is 0.5 carat. Honor the one you love with this sparkling ring that displays an impressive level of artistry. Crafted in sterling silver, it features a cushion-cut center stone and split shank design, while additional stones shine brightly on the shank, creating a true dazzling look from any angle. This stunning style offers incompatible beauty and unmatched quality. I am loving this ring. I am really loving it. Louily is a company where they have engagement rings, wedding sets, men rings, wedding bands, earrings, necklaces, bracelets. They even have jewelry sets. So be sure to check out their information down below. And I would like to thank the company, Louily, for reaching out to me to do this review. I apologize for any inconvenience, but I am so happy to do this review to my viewers. Check that out, y'all. And guys, when you want to give your lady an engagement ring, check out this company, Louily. Comes in a box like this with the name on it. This ring is absolutely gorgeous. I love the style and it fits perfectly. This is a size 7 and the shipping is very fast. When they reached out to me, I got it like that. The shipping is very fast, y'all. I absolutely love it. And like I mentioned before, they are very affordable. This ring right here, this ring is $119. And I will list the link down below. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and place it back over in the box. You guys go ahead and check them out. If you want to get your lady a ring, you can go ahead and put it in a gift bag with the card, with the plastic bag to keep a ring in. And then she have the cleansing cloth. Just put it all in this bag. Whatever night or engagement night or what have you, whatever special occasion you may have, you can present this bag to her with this perfect ring. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back because you never know what I may have next for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye-bye.